Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review TurboTax. Tax season is here, and you are probably wondering, is TurboTax still worth using in 2025? In this video, I'll break down the biggest pros and cons of TurboTax based on the latest updates, pricing, and real user experience, so you can decide if it is right for you. So let's get into it. What is TurboTax? TurboTax is one of the most popular online tax filing platforms in the US, owned by Intuit, the same company behind QuickBooks and Mint. Whether you are a W-2 employee, freelancer, or small business owner, TurboTax offers a step-by-step guidance to help you file your taxes with confidence. And in 2025, they have rolled out some new tools powered by AI to make filing even smoother. Pros. Alright, let's talk about the pros. The reasons people keep coming back to TurboTax year after year. Number one, easy to use interface. TurboTax still has one of the cleanest and most beginner-friendly interfaces out there. It walks you through each section with plain language like a friendly interview. Even if you are never filed taxes before, you will feel guided at every step. Number two, great for complicated tax situations. Self-employed, multiple income sources, crypto transactions, TurboTax has options tailored for all of these. In 2025, they have even added better tracking for digital assets and side gigs, which is great for freelancers and gig workers. Live support and TurboTax Live. One of the biggest selling points in TurboTax Live where you can chat or video call with a real CPA, and this year they have added weekend and evening availability, so it fits your schedule. Number four, accuracy and maximum refund guarantees. They offer an accuracy guarantee, meaning if there is an IRS penalty due to a TurboTax error, they will cover it. Plus, their maximum refund promise gives peace of mind that you are not leaving money on the table. Number five, and finally, integration with other tools. If you used Mint or QuickBooks, you will love how TurboTax syncs your financial data. In 2025, they have made this integration even smoother, especially helpful for small business owners or anyone tracking deductions throughout the year. Cons. Now let's talk about the cons, because TurboTax isn't perfect for everyone. Number one, pricey compared to alternatives. Let's be honest. TurboTax is one of the most expensive options out there. While the free edition exists, most users end up needing Deluxe, Premier, or Self-Employed, which can run you $60 to over $120, not including state returns. Number two, upselling can be annoying. TurboTax has a bit of reputation for pushing upgrades. You will often see pop-ups nudging you to upgrade or pay for extra support, even if you do not necessarily need it. Number three, free version is very limited. The free edition only supports simple tax returns, no itemized deductions, freelance income, or student loan interest. So even if your taxes are mildly complex, you will likely need to upgrade. Number four, customer support wait times. Some users report long wait times, especially closer to the tax deadline. So if you need fast answers, you might have to be patient. Who should use it? So who should use TurboTax, and who is this option best for? If you want a guided experience, have a complicated tax situation, or need access to a CPA for peace of mind, TurboTax is worth the investment. But if your return is super simple and you don't mind doing a bit of the legwork, free or cheaper tools like Cash App Taxes or Free Tax USA might do the trick. At the end of the TurboTax 2025 remains a powerful and user-friendly tool, especially for those who want accuracy, ease of use, and access to expert help. But it does come at a cost. If you have tried TurboTax this year, let me know down below in the comments, and what did you like or dislike about it. And that's all for this video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.